his mom and dad a kiss on the cheek. They hugged the boy goodbye, trying to find some relief. It was his time to go far, far away, but the tears rolling down Mama's face was all they needed to say. He said to them before he left, he said, "Don't you dare worry about me. I'll write letters to you, but please, when you read, make sure the little ones can see. And I know you're scared, but please don't be. And do me a favor before I leave, and wipe those tears from your eyes. I'll be home in no time." First couple of days was harder than he had thought, till he finished all up and they shipped him far across the world. And as that boy picked up his pen, the homesick started to settle in. And it said, "Don't you dare worry about me. This letter right here's for you, but please make sure the little ones can see. And I know you're scared, but please don't be. Please do me a favor and wipe those tears from your eyes. I'll be home in no time." Day came, he was in the middle of the war, too afraid to write down what he wanted Mama to know. And as he sat there with glistened eyes, he picked up his pen one final time. And it said, "I know you worry about me, but this letter right here's for you. But please, this time make sure everyone can see. And I know you're scared and I am too, but please for me, can you wipe those tears from your eyes? I'll be home in no time. Home in no time." Then one day a plane came soaring in. The boy was the first one off the steps. Before the boy could react, Mama was in his arms. And before she started to cry, he whispered in her ear, "See home in no time. Home in no time." That's home in no time, so.